Hello friend, welcome to my channel Robo Learning. So this video is a demonstration of how to create perfect random numbers. So what exactly is random number? Random number is you pick up a number randomly without any sequence or repetition, seems to be, and from a list of numbers. It may be within a range of minimum and maximum ranges. So random numbers are very much required when you are trying to develop some game or so you're trying to do some random activities. In that case, random numbers are must required. But what happens is that most of the random numbers are generated using software or computer program, and it is not really easy to get those numbers randomly because they seems to be repeating always. And every time you start the game, those numbers will basically repeat or start from the same pattern. So there are options available where we can try many things like reading. If you are using microcontroller or anything, so you can read from a port which is open. So to generate a seed, actually get the seed randomly and then pass it to random number to create a number randomly. But actually what I have seen is that even in microcontroller where port is open, sometimes the port is stabilized at higher value or lower value and you don't get the proper seeds actually. So let's see, try to do something here to see if the random numbers come really randomly. So let's see how the things works here. This is just a graphics display here, and this is Arduino Uno. What is happening here is there are two things you need to watch here. You see here, this is the LED light that is blinking randomly. Actually, this data comes from the microcontroller, and this is a LDR module, actually light sensing device actually that reads this signal. Okay, so this, let me cover this so that there is no brighting light here. So what happens is that when the LDR blinks randomly, and at the same time this LDR reads the signal and the light blinks. So what happens is that this the voltage generates here randomly, and then it passes to comes through A0 port of Arduino, and it that becomes a seed for the random number generator, and that graphics is here doing here. So you'll see here in this also I'm going to show a serial monitor here actually that will also give you the what sequence these random numbers basically comes. You'll see the bottom of the screen hedge actually and the serial monitors when you compare it, when you look through this video. So what happens here is actually I have done another randomization here. Even the blinking of the LED actually and the way this LDR reads also, that is also randomized actually, and the sequence through which that seed is read actually, that is also randomized actually. So every time I switch on and switch off and starts this one system, it will not start from the same number. I'm not seeing that this number will not be same actually, but till now I have not seen patterns here actually. So that is the way it works actually. And if you see just to see here, so you here see that LEDs is blinking here, so here, and that value is passed. Actually, even if you cover it little bit, let me cover it, you will still see a different random numbers here actually. So only there, because what happens, make sure that bright light is not too much bright, otherwise the LDR will get saturated and you will not get the proper values here. So that you have to take care. So it needs little bit of fluctuation actually randomly, so that is the way it will work here. So I'm going to attach this the screen in POP mode so that you can see the serial monitor and compare with the what is coming here actually. So let me switch off actually, let me reset it actually. So I'm going to reset it and see how it starts actually. Resetted and starts from 0, and then number is 29, 14, 17. Let me reset again here. So reset again, 0, 13, 33, 17. Okay, let me reset again here. Resetted, 0, 6, 45, 16. So you see there resetting is again, now it is different here. So every time the value is changing actually, starting from a different value. What another configuration can be done here is actually, I think what I've seen is that bend sensors are very unpredictable actually. They give a very different kind of value. So So the bend sensor can be attached to a servo motor actually, and that when the servo moves, the bend sensor value will keep on changing back and forth within, and then you read that value through your A port, and you will get a different seed number actually that will be passed to the random number, and that you will get the different value here actually. So hopefully you will like the video. If you like it, please subscribe and give a thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.